Welcome back. Happy Sunday to everyone. Today is my 7th day for helium mining. I'm talking about issues that I have and things that I changed and made it better for helium mining. So, currently on average, I have actually, that one is not realistic, zero point 0.5. I'm actually getting about 0.8 transmit scale. So it's been real great. Today's earning is 0.2 currently. So as you can see, a total beacon for the 7 average day is 66, and total witness is 7. And my total earning has been really great. That's today's earning. But I'll show you what my total earning for today is. So you can see, so far 7 days I got 1.11 HNT, totaling $32.93. So as you can see, my current earning for today, and everything, and here's my whole activity for the past 7 days. It's been doing great. Some days got more than others. Some days got 1 or 2 earnings. But can't complain. Doing an awesome job. Only thing I've seen is my Finestra hotspot is been kind of doing the red and blue syncing, Bluetooth syncing, which I'm not sure why it does that. I think maybe it's when it does that, it's uploading packages. Then it comes back to green again. The other issue that I talked about in my other video was the hotspot. So remember, I moved my hotspot to a different address, the next block, just to get away from my other helium network that's on the CERN helix. So on the same helix. So what I did, I moved it over. So maybe moving over, keeping it farther away from that one. I'm thinking maybe provide me more reward, but it doesn't. Please don't move your location. I did move my location and had to move back. When I moved back, I start earning a lot more. So don't move your location. Keep it where it is. You'll be more successful. That's all I have for my advice. But anybody have any issues with their Finestra miner? This is my 7th day, so I will keep an update on any other issues I find. But so far, it's doing an awesome job, and I can't wait to see what the next 7 day will hold. Please follow me, and we'll keep you updated on this helium mining. Have any questions, please comment, and I'll reply back. Have a great weekend, everybody. Stay safe.